so big, Uncle Dick.
Hmm?
Uncle Dick.
What? Don't be poking my nose. Don't be picking my nose. Oh, do it again. Honk.
Okay.
How'd you remember that? We haven't done that in a long time. Do you dare touch it again? Honk.
Again.
I don't know. Do you dare? Honk.
Again.
Honk.
Again.
Honk. Honk. Oh no! Oh, that finger's all sticky. No wonder you wanted to touch my nose. You've been wiping your hand on my nose.
It's a biggie. What are you going to do? What's that?
That's the stick. That's what's left over. I want you to get the chocolate part. You're not even to the good part yet.
No.
Put that in your mouth. Twist it around a little bit. Let's get to the good part. Leave it in there for more than a second. Quit airing it out, girl. Keep it in there. See how long you can keep it in there. See how long you can keep it in there for.
Why don't you check it?
Well, sure.